to discuss. Cause I'm the one by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me.
Hey y'all, I am back. Did y'all miss me? I know y'all do. It's okay because I missed y'all. Hair is real dry right now, y'all. Like, it's getting stiff at this point, but it's fine.
Hey.
So Lauren's currently at my dorm, well, my college, and this is not that type of party.
What? What you doing?
This is not that type of party, like, you know, black boys.
Oh yeah.
Straight whites.
Ain't nothing out here, really.
What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna vlog for you guys today. We just woke up, picked up the groceries, and I'm about to cook. So you guys wanna watch me cook, and you know the vibes, don't play. So yeah, I just checked on the kitchen. The kitchen's all set. We got the pot and the set. On the way to the kitchen. On the way to the kitchen, don't play. So we made it in the kitchen, as y'all can see. And I'm whipping. She just put her whole hair on the oh yeah, on the side. Let's shut up. Don't play with the sausage. It's giving Kiki's breakfast.
Right. We are Kikis.
Now she finna mix it with the egg. She finna scrape up the eggs, you know. Yeah, this wasn't planned at all to cook. We were thinking about the dining hall, but it was raining. Who got there? So I was like, since I just bought some groceries this morning, why not cook?
The dining hall actually early in the morning for breakfast, and they had omelets.
Oh really? I love omelets.
But you gotta know
Early. So my homeboy back from Orlando, his name is Vert, and he's down here in Miami. I hope it doesn't rain. Like, y'all know how it's raining right now? I hope it stopped raining by like 5:30. And also, y'all, I can blow my makeup too.
Oh yeah.
I bought some makeup yesterday, so I want to start like trying to do my own makeup because you know your girl be busy for real. Okay, don't kill me. My grandma and my mama taught me something, baby. Hey y'all, so we're cooking in our dorm. Well, not in our dorm, but it's
in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. So we go to FIU and we don't have a kitchen in our dorm. But yeah, y'all.
We're making Chef Leo on pancakes.
Yeah, I'm picking them up because you already know.
I'm on the eggs.
The eggs. We not done. We had sausage. Oh yeah, y'all.
Who you know how to
Who
cook?
you know? Who you know how to cook?
Our real name Kiki, to be honest.
I'm vlogging. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube. Wait, not yet. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube, Shalea Pollock. We should add it. Well, it's already bread with pancakes.
We live in a hotel. You gotta swipe to get in.
Don't play. Don't play with me. Period. Ever in life, baby. So we just got nice cooking. Now we got to wash the dishes. So guys, we are done. It took us a good, like what,
30 minutes.
30 minutes to cook some pancakes, sausage, eggs, and a cinnamon roll. How you feeling, Janisha?
Good. We didn't burn anything.
Great.
And we didn't catch the kitchen on fire. So it's fine.
So yeah. So we don't have a kitchen here, so we got to use it. Alright, y'all, we get back with y'all. So this is how the plate came out. Don't play. Y'all, Miss Bougie wanna clean dishes. But y'all, don't play with us. Period. Hey y'all, I am back. So let me tell y'all a little background, whatever. So last week, you remember we were cooking. I'm gonna put that in a video and all that. We were cooking, we were gonna go out later, but something had happened and it was my fault. I got the dates wrong. So we thought we were gonna go on a boat. We thought we was gonna go on a boat like that day, but we didn't. It was actually the next weekend, the following weekend. So this weekend is this weekend. So I'm finna get dressed and put on my bathing suit and stuff. Yeah, that's the background. I will hit you guys up when I am dressed. So as you guys heard in the last video, I am going to a boat party, and yeah.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by.
Hey y'all, so I'm done, and yeah, let's zoom in for you guys.
Can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats.
Hey y'all, so right now we're on the way to South Beach to go like meet the people or whatever. And yeah, are you guys ready?
Yeah. Janisha's sleeping. Janisha's sleeping, y'all. She had a long day, baby.
Yeah. Sis had a game.
We went to her tournament. I'm essentially her clips, so she could see a little bit of the tournament. You know what I'm talking about, but yeah.
So the plans for today is this boat, and then after they say they're going to the club, so we might go to the club with them. The club's called The Office. I've never been personally, but I know like it might be fun if they going. So yeah, I think it's a strip club too. So yeah, look at this traffic, 12-minute traffic.
Yeah, because everybody trying to be in Miami, rolling out this weekend.
It's rolling loud weekend also, so like it's hectic out here, bro.
We almost was finna go, but then we wasn't ready in time.
Is that the river right now? Oh, I think that's like.
Was it the river that we was on? We trying to see if that was the same river that we was on like the last time we was on the boat. But every time we come over here, I just love looking at the buildings. It be making me feel like I'm in the city for real.
Imagine like the 40th, like 50th or something. Like,
just the view, oh my god, it made me want. I have to get a penthouse in the city. I have to.
Hey y'all, so we gotta get our Uber or whatever.
I'm awake now.
We gotta get our Uber. We're waiting on our Uber. Yeah. We're out here in Miami.
Finna find ourselves a G-Daddy.
Yeah, we just got out our Uber.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you so much. Oh. Bye. Yeah, so we like, I don't know. We almost here though. We almost here. Almost here. I wish they can drive us shit. So we're on the boat. Zarian. Yeah. So we just met Kate, Cabby, and then Lexus. Okay, period. Yeah. Let me show y'all the boat. That's how we look, y'all. I'm gonna go downstairs. This how I look downstairs. Everybody else upstairs though, but the views. This is the views. Yeah. Oh, Zara, you gonna have to hold on. Yeah. You probably got to hold on the rail again. It looked like it.
real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple rates, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass toe. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass dance, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my fake up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna check. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby got, I ain't fighting with. There you are! Bitch, who did that? No random period. You bitches weak, is you serious? I let him take the pussy, now he acting all delirious. See the dash in the rubber, I can space the period. You see my number in his phone, now you acting curious. He gon' buy me Gucci if I ask for it. He a classy nigga, rockin' Tom for it. I bet your little sister wanna look like me. I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. Hood bitch, hood pussy, I ain't average. He can't come around without that cabbage. Pop a pussy bitch, quick, like a bubble gum. I ain't never worry, I just do it for fun. Act up, you can.
So yeah, we just got off the boat. We're downtown Miami.
Looking for the hoochie daddies. Where the niggas I thought be a hoe.
Where am I in?
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is crazy. And he drops in it. Let's go to 110. This is my phone.
We are back in our Uber. Yeah, we probably finna go to the hotel to get dressed and go right back out. So y'all give the boat ride 1 out of 10.
It was I would
1 through
say,
10, I mean.
I would say
tipsy.
it was a 9 or 8.5.
How much did you
give it a 10.
Of course, because you had some money. I would give it 8.5. Due to the fact like everybody was bobbing, it was mostly couples on there, so it was like, you know, everybody
kind of ducked off with their mans or whatever.
Right, but last y'all, everybody was like free, you know.
Yeah.
My sis was cuffed a little bit, but she had her fun, so yeah. But it's good, y'all. It was cool. See y'all, y'all gonna get dressed with me. Bye. Yeah. Y'all, so lucky up this ramp. I'm tired. Y'all, so you're so over it, sorry. Okay. Oh shit. My friend out here asleep. Y'all, I don't know who he is, but he's sleeping. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, look at me. Are these them motherfuckers? Yeah. Turn y'all brightness on your phone.
You guys went through 1 mile?
Yeah. Don't play with these big issues, beautiful. Got blue light. But yeah,
Why I can't put down the boat? I can't believe that.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for 4. Yeah, we brought the 4.
So yeah, that is my night. It is over with. I'm tired. It's, what time is it? It is 5:28 a.m. We got back at like 5. I took that makeup off my face, and yeah, y'all. tomorrow is cleanup day because baby, oh my lord. Yeah, this is not us. This is not us. It was because we had a busy weekend. So yeah, because we went to a club called G5 and it was cool. Don't want money, you know the vibe. And yeah, y'all, so yeah, get back with y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on my video, and tell me some videos y'all want to see in the comments. Yeah, y'all, bye, good night. I'm going to sleep. I have to shower and then go to sleep. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, so what time is it?
8:30.
It's 8:30 and we about to go out and play volleyball. As you can see, we have on our, finna show the shorts, y'all. We have on our volleyball shorts, Nike Pro, you know.
Juicy Couture.
Dillers. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, this is our first time going out, like actually playing something. Hopefully next gonna be basketball. But alright, y'all, we're finna get going. Bye. Just got back in. Baby, we tired. Where's Jewel? Jewel! I am so tired. Like, we're sweating underneath the arms.
Hell yeah. Bro, I done popped a hole in my sock, like.
Girl, I'm crying. Whew, I'm tired. I got sit on my leg.
We ended up playing basketball and shit.
With these boys that let us play.
Yeah. So what y'all rated? 1 through 10.
It was a cool.
I need to go and get
8.5.
some water before I get light. I'm getting lightheaded. I need to go and
Okay,
get
tell
some
them
water.
what you rated. Then you go.
I rated 10.
Okay.
I made a couple game-winning shots.
Not
and then-
game winning.
Okay, but it felt like game-winning though. It felt like game-winning. So it is what it is. And then volleyball, I hit some. I fell every time though, but I brushed up the sand so I could see it.
Okay, what you rated?
A 10 because I defended you.
Y'all, she won't let me breathe. Like, come on. And she put offense and defense. Like, girl, which one do you want to be?
Just don't hit me the ball. I'll just block people. I'll just block people. Just give him block him.
Okay. So yeah, today, yeah, like fuck. Today is July 25th, and yeah, that's it for tonight. It's 10:33. We left at like 8:30, right?
Yeah. We might play tomorrow because it was fun.
But hopefully by ourselves for volleyball.
Yeah.
Bye.